Hi guys, so I'm Namrata Soni. I'm here with my brand Simply Nam. Super excited to show you guys how to wear the latest launch by Simply Nam, which is the everyday lashes. These are one of my favorite lashes. I actually decided to make them and launch them because they are actually 3/4 lashes, which are a great buy for someone who actually likes to wear just a subtle lash with a little lift on the corner, which gives you butterfly lashes. So let's show you how to use these beautiful lashes and let's have some fun. So guys, what you need to remember when you're doing strip lashes, remove it from the box, place it as close to your natural lashes, open your eyes, look into the mirror and see how long the length of the lashes are. If you want to cut a little bit from the inner corner or the outer corner, it makes a lot of sense to do it before you attach the lashes. Now I'm going to add my eyelash glue, take it with the back of my tweezer and apply it to the base of the lashes. You need to remember that the entire base of your lashes, front and back and the top, needs to be completely coated with your eyelash glue. Allow it at least 15 to 30 seconds to get a little tacky. Now I'm going to make her close her eyes, place the lash as close to her actual lashes as possible, and I'm going to gently push it in. Go into the inner corner, push that in, and make sure with the cotton bud, I'm pushing that lash into her skin just to make sure that if there is any excess eyelash glue, it comes off on my bud. Allow the lashes at least a good 2 to 3 minutes to actually dry. If you don't allow the lashes to dry, they're going to keep coming out of the eye and they're not going to stay put. Now I'm going to take my tweezer and I'm going to go and blend her lashes with the falsies so that they look like they are one. Now, say for example, your lash has not gotten stuck. All you have to do is take a little extra lash glue, pull down your lashes, go and put the glue where it's required and push in. So guys, if the lash is too long for you, what you need to remember is you can either cut that inner corner a little bit, like right there, you can see that, and you can cut a little bit from the outer corner. So say you're finding the outer corner too long or too short, you can actually cut a little bit from there too. Now I am lifting the lash, starting from the extreme outer corner, holding that in place. Please remember, as close to your natural lashes is the key to making full lashes look really, really pretty. So I'm going to make her open her eyes, look at me. Okay, that's beautiful. Now, if there is any tackiness or glue, you need to look down and just take your cotton bud and go along the lash line to make sure that there is no glue stuck. Again, look at me, please. That's beautiful. Close your eyes. Just going to go in and just really fix that. I don't want there to be any difference between her lashes and these lashes. I'm going to show you a trick now. So guys, remember, when you want those lashes to look really, really natural, but you're someone who doesn't want to wear too much eye makeup, just take a little bit kajal on a blending brush and just start by blending the edges away of your lashes and go from the innermost corner of your eye to where the lashes start. Go slightly over the lashes. Keep blending upwards, and when you open your eyes, you will actually not be able to see the gap of where the lashes start and where the lashes end.